Welcome back to Adventures with Rosie. Thought we'd do something a little different today and give you a bit of an insight as to what a day looks like with 3 kids in a caravan.
Let's jump back to 3 a.m. when our day started.
Well, this is where our day starts. 2:45 a.m. and we're up for our first feed. This time can range from anywhere between 1 and 4 a.m. so mystery time. Well, it takes us a couple hours to get ready, but we're all dressed, teeth are brushed, ready to go.
We usually like to try and find a track to burn some energy. Harvey's usually pretty excited in the mornings.
He's a bit stir crazy by about now. So yeah, we'll go and find somewhere he can ride his bike, run around, and get some vitamin D. Walk done and dusted, successful walk. Harvey's asleep in bed, he's tuckered out. We normally time those morning walks with their first sleep of the day, so worked well this morning. Now we're back in the caravan for a bit of lunch and a kick around. Alright, dinner time now, and for us we kick off about 5 o'clock for dinner. These girls won't stay up later than about 7 o'clock, so by the time we've fed them and cooked our dinner, it's 7 o'clock. So the evening starts right now. And the final thing we do before we go to bed is prep bottles for the feed in the middle of the night sometime. Hope you enjoyed joining us today for a bit of a day in our life. Sorry if we missed the odd thing. It gets a bit hectic from time to time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.